What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Husqvarna lawnmower, and the problem is a rather unique one in that the electric key start that it's equipped with no longer works after years of neglect outside. Even after jumping the battery, the electric starter still doesn't seem to work. We're going to have to take it off and diagnose the problem. I'll put a link in the description to a video to help get down to the starter so you can remove it. Remove the two bolts and disconnect the wires, and then remove the starter from the engine. Now remove the 3 bolts on the gearbox cover. And after examining it, it seems that the smaller gear is the one that's stuck, so we'll have to disassemble the motor casing to free it up. To do this, remove the 2 long bolts on the back side of the motor. Next, gently pull the case away from the assembly. Now carefully rotate the armature back and forth until it's free. And now that it is free, let's add some grease to the gearbox and put the assembly back together. To help hold the brushes in place, use a socket to help keep them apart as you install the case back on the armature. Now reinstall the bushing support and the 2 long bolts. Let's try out the starter first before we put it back on the engine. Reinstall both bolts and don't forget to connect the wires. And now let's see if it actually turns the engine over. Now that works, let's go ahead and start it using the recoil. There's going to be one more video on this mower, which has to do with the carburetor, which was completely oxidized by rainwater from being left outside for years. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.